Hello everybody, today I'll be doing an unboxing and test of this $5.99 25 foot HDMI cable. I ordered it on eBay and on the 16th, today is the 20th. I'm not sure when this will be uploaded, so 4 days. And it says it is a high-speed premium 1080p male HD TV PlayStation 3 DVD cable. So they also came in 30 feet, 15 feet, and pretty much every size you could imagine. And I'm going to be using this to run it from my TV to my laptop, which is normally sitting right here. So it's not really 25 feet away, just wanted to be sure. So we'll be testing that also. So here it is. It came from California. First class package, $5.99 free shipping. So let's cut into it here. That should do us. And not much to it. The cheapest HDMI cable I've ever bought. They're $1 each. You can get a 10 pack for $10. The 6 foot basic HDMI cables. Yeah, there's nothing real special about it. They're really cheap if you don't buy the name brand ones, and they do kind of the same thing. This is satisfaction guaranteed. I expect that on eBay now. There it is. Nothing too good. Not even printed that well, to be honest. And here it is. It says HD25HD is the model. UPC code. Made in China sticker. So let's just rip into it. Why not? And here it is. You can see the apparent gold plating right there. HDMI, plastic, of course. They had some of the thicker, more harder to bend cables, but I'm going to be running it around the corner of my room, so I need flexibility. And there's the other end. And there is the cable. It says 30 volt, 80 degrees Celsius, high-speed HDMI cable. The style, I guess that's printed on all of it, just over and over and over again. So there's not really much else to do, so now I am going to hook this up to my TV, to my laptop, and we'll see if it works. Alright guys, and here it is. I have it ran right through here. Only 2 ports on my TV actually work because lightning blew out my Xbox here and subsequently blew out my HDMI port, so I'm down to 2 now because I already had 1 blown. But it's really long. It ran through here behind the dresser here, all the way down here on the ground and to here, and there's plenty left to spare. Like, I can keep going probably all the way over there. So let's go ahead and show you this. Well, first let me switch to the HDMI, that blown. I'm going to use a 360 one. So it's ready to go. It's just looking for a signal now. I got my laptop here with my channel pulled up, and I've got my HDMI port right here. So let's grab the end of this. Here it is, and plug it in. So you can see it there, plugged in, and there it is on the TV. So seems to be working good. Let's try to just click on my video for say. You can hear it through my headphones over there. I have the TV muted. So it seems like it can capture some frames okay, I guess. I mean, this isn't the best way to tell. Seems pretty good. Alright. So there's not really much else to do with the HDMI cable. You can see it works. It was $6, and really, in my opinion, it compares just as equally to the monster cable I use with my 360 or the one that came with my Xbox One. It's all the same to me. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll put the link to this eBay 25 foot HDMI cable in the description. Thanks for watching. Alright, and I forgot that I guess the sound quality matters too coming through these things, so I'm going to disconnect my Sony headphones here, and I just turn my surround sound up some, so we'll play the same video again and see if we hear sound. So let me turn the sound up just a little bit here on the surround sound. Let's show the TV, why not? Yeah, so it works really good with the surround sound, and I only had it like 23 or something, so yeah, it does sound and video good. It's in 1080p. Sounds like it should, I guess, and yep, so I just wanted to add that in. Thanks for watching.